So y'all know Busy Signal is in Ghana at the moment. Earlier today I made this video reacting to a video of Stonebwoy actually picking him up from the airport. So it looks like they actually or they were invited to this particular interview where they dropped a little freestyle. So come on, let's see how this one is sounding.
He said, "Ho, which guy? You can't believe what some boy never try. Hey, Stonebwoy, I tell them.
Could never be a minimalist. I say one pandelies and me take a win a day that's the least and them lost man about it like a real jungle is. Get them a one God song man evangelism.
Take it easy, bro. It's just a freestyle. Someone tells Stonebwoy it's just a freestyle. He doesn't even have to go this hard. Come on, I'm taking it back. Come on.
Guy, you can't believe what some boy never try. Hey, Stonebwoy, I tell them.
Could never be a minimalist. I say one pandelies and me take a win a day that's the least and them lost man about it like a real jungle is. Get them a one God song man evangelism.
Bobo Clat.
Burn them like a pajamani. When I see no other youth but the dan. How we are run things boy. A jagaban. How we are run that tape ya jaga. So anyway,
no one is touching Stonebwoy. I'm talking about Africa now. Name one artist who you actually think can go head to head with Stonebwoy when it comes to freestyles. I don't think there's any artist in Africa, and I'm not even capping, who can go head to head with Stonebwoy when it comes to freestyle. Stonebwoy is just that good. Stonebwoy is good, like man, a whole different breed. For real, man is a beast.
Can't believe what some boy never try. Hey, Stonebwoy, I tell them.
Could never be a minimalist. I say one pandelies and me take a win a day that's the least and them lost man about it like a real jungle is. Get them a one God song man evangelism. When them like Kapayamani, when I see no other youth but the dan. How we are run things for ya, a jagaban. How we are run that tape ya jaga. So anyway, them see mankind, them do
Come
like
on.
kind, them do like say.
Bombo Clat.
It's
It's
crazy.
mad, hothead,
Mad.
hothead.
Stonebwoy is sick for real. So like I said earlier, Stonebwoy has this concert coming up, Beam Nation concert. Sorry, Beam concert. I don't know if it's Beam Nation or Beam concert coming up. So make sure y'all go out there and show your love and support to the Beam Nation president. Hit that subscribe button if you're watching for the first time. Bless.